Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests on ChatGPT. And if you're getting the same message again and again, same notification and again, so there is some issue. So basically, you have to do one thing. If you are already logged in into the ChatGPT, you have to just log out, which is on the bottom left side corner. You can see here, you have to just log out. And after that, you can try to log in once again, and if it solves your problem, then it's great. Otherwise, you can just click on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right side corner. This is the menu bar of the browser, right? So it doesn't matter whether you are using a Chrome browser or a Brave browser. Just go to the setting, and after that, in the setting, you have to just go to the privacy and setting, and here you will see clear browsing data. Just go to the advanced, and after that you can clear each and everything in the whatever the time limit you can set, right? So for example, I will select the last 7 days, right? So you can select all this, and after that you can select clear data, right? So I don't want to remove all this, and here I'll just click on clear data, and that's it. It will definitely fix your problem because this is happening with the ChatGPT, and there could be a problem of this server of ChatGPT, so there could be this problem. So this is it. So if you found this information really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.